Have you ever ordered food and had it delivered by like a robot?
Probably not, right?
Probably not, no.
But guess what? It's already happening.
Yeah.
And it's all thanks to a company you might not even know exists.
That's the interesting thing about AI right now is that, like, so much is happening behind the scenes that is shaping our lives in ways we don't even realize.
Exactly. And today, we are taking a deep dive into Nebius Group.
All right.
A company that could be a real game changer.
Yeah.
They're building the infrastructure and the tools to make AI more accessible, and they're doing some pretty wild things with robots.
Yeah, the key here is accessible.
Okay.
You know, Nebius is trying to democratize AI, making it easier for businesses and developers to harness its power.
Yeah.
That's a huge shift from the traditional model where AI was mostly in the hands of tech giants.
Okay, so before we go any further, let's get some context.
Sure.
Nebius Group hasn't been around for that long, right? Correct. They were originally part of the Russian tech giant Yandex, but became a separate entity last October after some, let's say, geopolitical shakeups.
Right.
So they've got a history and some serious expertise, but are operating under this new identity.
So they're kind of like a startup with a head start.
Yeah.
That's pretty fascinating, but it also makes you wonder, are they a hidden gem?
Right.
Or are there some risks associated with their past? That's what we're going to figure out.
Right.
Now, their core business is AI infrastructure. What exactly does that mean?
Think of it as the foundation for any AI application.
Okay.
It's the hardware, the software, and the data centers that allow AI systems to run and process information. Without a robust infrastructure, you can't really build anything meaningful in the AI world.
So they're like the plumbers and electricians of the AI world.
Exactly.
Making sure everything is connected and working properly.
They provide the building blocks.
Yeah.
And that's a massive market with huge growth potential.
And speaking of potential, they're not just sticking to infrastructure, right?
No, they're diversifying, which is a smart move.
Okay.
They've got this segment called Toloka, which focuses on data.
Hold on, data. Why is data so important for an AI company?
Yeah.
It's not like they're building a social media platform.
But that's where you'd be mistaken.
Okay.
Data is the lifeblood of AI.
Right.
AI algorithms need vast amounts of data to learn and improve.
Got it.
Toloka is all about providing high-quality data sets that can be used to train and evaluate AI models.
So it's like they're providing the food for the AI to grow and get smarter.
That's a great analogy.
Okay.
And it gives Nebius a significant advantage.
Yeah.
They control both the infrastructure and the fuel that powers AI, making them a one-stop shop for anyone wanting to develop AI solutions. That's a pretty powerful position to be in.
Okay, that makes a lot of sense. But I'm still stuck on the robot delivery thing. Tell me more about that.
That's their read segment.
Yeah.
And it's definitely grabbing headlines.
Yeah.
They're partnering with food delivery giants like Grubhub and Uber Eats to deploy fleets of robots on college campuses.
Wait, so these robots are actually out there delivering food right now?
Oh, yeah. They're roaming around campuses like Ohio State, bringing students their late-night snacks and everything else.
Wow.
It's not some futuristic fantasy. It's happening as we speak.
That's incredible. I can just imagine these little robots zipping around, dodging students on their way to class.
Yeah.
But is it really a sustainable business model? I mean, how many pizzas can a robot deliver in a day?
Well, it's still early days, but the potential is massive.
Okay.
Think about it. These robots could revolutionize delivery, not just for food, but for all sorts of goods.
Right.
And Nebius is at the forefront of this revolution.
So they're betting on a future where robots are a regular part of our daily lives?
Yeah.
That's a bold move.
It is, and it's not without its challenges.
Right.
But they're not just throwing robots at the problem. They're building the entire ecosystem.
Yeah.
From the robots themselves to the software that manages them to the partnerships that get them into real-world environments.
Okay, so they've got the infrastructure, the data, and now the robots. What's next? World domination.
Well, they certainly have ambitious plans. Their projected growth is impressive, to say the least.
And that's what we'll be digging into next, right?
Absolutely. Let's talk numbers.
All right, let's talk numbers. I'm hearing whispers of some pretty impressive growth projections for Nebius. What's the scoop?
They're expecting big things. This quarter alone, they're projecting revenue of at least $55 million.
Wow.
That's over 45% growth from the last quarter.
45%? That's not just growth, it's a full-on sprint.
Yeah.
But can they keep up that pace?
That's the billion-dollar question, literally. By the fourth quarter of 2025, they're aiming for an annualized run rate of $750 million to $1 billion.
Okay, now those are some seriously ambitious goals. I mean, reaching $1 billion run rate in just a couple years, that's a steep climb. What makes them think they can pull it off?
Well, for starters, the overall demand for AI solutions is skyrocketing.
Sure.
Businesses across all industries are realizing the potential of AI.
Yeah.
And Nebius is positioning itself to be the go-to provider for that.
Okay.
They've been strategically expanding their infrastructure with a new GPU cluster in the U.S. and increased capacity in Europe.
Okay.
They've also launched a new AI-focused cloud software platform and a tool called AI Studio, which makes it way easier for developers to build and test AI applications.
So they're not just talking the talk, they're actually building the tools and resources to support this massive growth.
Exactly. And they're not stopping there.
Yeah.
They're actively building out their sales team to attract new customers and diversify their revenue streams. Yeah. Plus, their strong financial position gives them the flexibility to invest heavily in their growth strategy. As of December 2024, they had $2.45 billion in cash with minimal debt. That's a pretty healthy war chest.
It sounds like they're pulling out all the stops to make this happen.
Right.
But let's face it, they're not the only ones playing in the AI sandbox. They're up against some heavy hitters.
Right.
Microsoft, Amazon, Alphabet, Alibaba. These are the giants of the tech world.
Sure.
How can Nebius possibly compete with that?
It's definitely a David versus Goliath situation. But remember, David had a pretty good aim with his slingshot. Nebius has a few things going for it.
Okay.
First, their focus on accessibility sets them apart. They're making AI tools and resources more user-friendly, which could appeal to businesses that might be intimidated by the complexity of traditional AI solutions.
So they're like the friendly face of AI, making it less scary for the average Joe.
You say that.
Okay.
And then there's the NVIDIA connection.
Ah, yes. NVIDIA, the king of AI chips. I read that they invested in Nebius.
Not just invested. NVIDIA participated in their $700 million funding round and owns over 1 million shares of Nebius stock.
Wow.
That's a significant endorsement from a company that's leading the charge in AI hardware.
It's like having the greeless kid in school vouching for you. That definitely adds some street cred. But even with all that, can we really ignore the elephant in the room?
Sure.
The competition is fierce. These tech giants have massive resources and established customer bases. It seems like an uphill battle for Nebius.
You're right. It's a valid concern.
Yeah.
Nebius will need to be strategic and find ways to differentiate itself. Their focus on accessibility is a good start, but they'll also need to continue innovating and developing cutting-edge solutions to stay ahead of the curve.
Yeah.
It's a high-stakes game, and there's no guarantee of success.
So it's a bit of a gamble then, a high-risk, high-reward situation.
In a way, yes.
Yeah.
But for those who believe in the potential of AI and see the value in what Nebius is trying to achieve, the potential rewards could be huge.
Okay, so we've talked about their growth plans and the competitive landscape. Now let's get down to brass tacks. What about the financials? What are investors saying about Nebius? I've heard some buzz about their valuation being quite attractive.
That's right. Analysts are keeping a close eye on their forward enterprise value to revenue multiple. Now that sounds complicated, but it basically means they're looking at the company's current value in relation to its projected future revenue.
And what's the verdict? Is Nebius a good buy?
Well, if they hit their revenue targets,
Yeah.
this multiple could be below 5 for next year.
Okay, but what does that mean for someone who doesn't speak fluent finance?
It suggests that Nebius might be undervalued compared to its potential earnings.
Okay.
In simpler terms, their stock price could be a bargain right now,
Got it.
considering how much they're projected to grow.
So it's like finding a designer dress on clearance of steel.
You could say that, but of course, like any investment, there are risks involved.
Sure.
It's important to do your own research and consider all the factors before making any decisions.
Fair enough. But beyond the financial aspect, I'm curious about the bigger picture. Why should our listeners care about Nebius, even if they're not planning to invest?
Because Nebius's story is about more than just numbers and stock prices. It's about the future of AI and how this technology will shape our world. If Nebius succeeds in making AI more accessible and driving innovation in areas like robot delivery, it will have a ripple effect across countless industries and aspects of our lives.
So whether we realize it or not, Nebius's journey could end up having a real impact on us all. It's like that butterfly effect thing, right? One small change can have huge consequences down the line.
Exactly. And that's why it's so fascinating to watch this company unfold.
Yeah.
They're at a pivotal point. and the decisions they make in the coming months and years could have a lasting impact on the AI landscape.
All right, so we've covered a lot of ground here. Their ambitious growth plans, the fierce competition, there's a seemingly attractive valuation, and the potential impact they could have on the future of AI. But I'm sure our listeners are eager to hear the final verdict. Is Nebius destined for greatness, or are they headed for a crash landing? So is Nebius destined for greatness, or are they headed for a crash landing? What's the final verdict?
Well, if I had a crystal ball, I'd be a very rich man.
Right.
The truth is, predicting the future of any tech company, especially in a field as dynamic as AI, it's incredibly difficult.
Yeah.
There are so many factors at play.
Okay, so no easy answers, but can we at least narrow it down to like the key things
Sure.
that will determine their success or failure?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
One crucial factor will be their ability to execute their ambitious growth strategy.
Okay.
They've set some lofty revenue targets,
Right.
and they'll need to demonstrate that they can consistently deliver on those promises.
So it's not just about having a great product, it's about getting it into the hands of customers and generating actual revenue. Makes sense. What else should we be paying attention to?
Innovation.
Okay.
The AI landscape is constantly evolving with new technologies and approaches emerging all the time.
Right.
Nebius will need to stay ahead of the curve, constantly investing in research and development to ensure their offerings remain cutting edge.
Because if they fall behind, the competition will eat them alive, right?
Precisely.
Yeah.
And then there's the question of differentiation.
Yeah.
As we discussed, they're facing some seriously tough competition from the tech giants.
Right.
They'll need to find ways to stand out, to offer something unique that sets them apart from the crowd. Their focus on accessibility is a good start,
Yeah.
but they'll need to keep pushing the boundaries.
So it's a bit of a tightrope walk. They need to balance their ambition with a healthy dose of realism, all while navigating a constantly shifting landscape. No pressure, right?
It's a challenging path, for sure.
Yeah.
But it's also what makes Nebius such a fascinating case study.
Yeah.
They're a young company with big dreams, trying to make their mark in a rapidly evolving industry.
And their journey, regardless of the outcome, tells us a lot about the state of AI and the forces shaping its future.
Exactly. It's a reminder that the world of technology is rarely about sure bets.
Yeah.
It's about taking calculated risks, pushing boundaries, and adapting to change.
And sometimes it's about those seemingly small, under-the-radar companies that end up making the biggest waves.
It's a reminder that we should always be looking beyond the familiar names, exploring the fringes, and keeping an open mind to new possibilities.
Because who knows, the next big thing might be hiding in plain sight, just waiting to be discovered.
So to answer your initial question is, Nebius destined for greatness? Only time will tell. But their story is a compelling one,
Right.
full of intrigue, ambition, and the potential to disrupt the status quo.
Well, we've given you the information, the insights, and a glimpse into the challenges and possibilities that lie ahead for Nebius Group. Now it's up to you to connect the dots, do your own research, consider the factors we've discussed, and decide for yourself, is Nebius a company you believe in?
The world of AI is full of possibilities, and Nebius Group is just one piece of that larger, ever-evolving puzzle. We encourage you to stay curious, keep exploring, and never stop asking questions.
And that's a wrap on our deep dive into Nebius Group. We hope you've enjoyed this journey into the world of AI, and that you're leaving with a sense of wonder and a thirst for more knowledge. Until next time, keep those minds sharp and those curiosity gears turning.